Hello, may I ask you a question? If there was a way to turn $1,000 into $50,000 or more, would you want to learn about it? And what if you could get paid 3 times a day without jumping through hoops to make it happen? Now, I know what you might be thinking. That sounds too good to be true. And I understand, but here's a better question. If something sounds too good to be true, is that really a reason not to explore it? The truth is, most people only encounter 2 or 3 truly life-changing financial opportunities in their entire lifetime. Could this be one of yours? Think about it. What if you had invested $1,000 in Apple, Amazon, or Walmart 10, 20 years ago? Your life would look very different today. Or take Bitcoin. Around 15 years ago, one Bitcoin cost about 10 cents. 10 years ago, it was around $350. Today, one Bitcoin is valued at over $100,000. Opportunities like that don't come around every day. Now, before I continue, let me be clear. We are not financial advisors, and this is not financial advice. Please make all of your financial decisions carefully and responsibly. That said, one proven way people have been earning with cryptocurrency is called staking. Staking simply means holding certain crypto tokens in a wallet and earning rewards daily, weekly, or monthly just for holding them. And the best part is, you can cash out anytime. There's no contract lock-in. This brings us to Veritas Vault. Veritas Vault is a blockchain-based platform that rewards participants who hold its token, VVA. Here's how it works. Every 8 hours, participants earn up to 0.44% on their stake, adding up to as much as 1.32% per day. So, for example, if you stake $100, you could earn about $1.32 per day. With $1,000, that's about $13.20 per day, and those earnings are paid in VVA tokens directly to your wallet. From there, you can take your earnings out or leave them in for automatic compounding. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world, and that's exactly what's happening here. Your earnings are compounded daily, so your balance keeps growing automatically. And the technology behind this is a smart contract on the blockchain. And this is where auto-compounding kicks in. Think of it like home automation. Once it's programmed, it runs on its own. Just like a smart thermostat or an automated coffee maker, a smart contract executes its rules consistently, with no manual intervention. Once it's locked, this will protect everyone involved. Now, here's another question. Do you know anyone else who would like the same opportunity? Because in addition to daily staking rewards, Veritas Vault also offers referral rewards. For example, if you referred me, you would earn 18% of my profits. If I referred my brother, you would earn 13% of his profits, while I earn 18%. And this continues through 12 generations of referrals. The good news is, you don't have to track the numbers. The smart contract handles it all automatically, and for those who enjoy building teams, there are additional bonuses you can qualify for as well. At the beginning, we talked about life-changing opportunities. For many people, Veritas Vault could be one of those rare chances. Whether you simply want to earn passive rewards every day, or you want to share this with others and build a community, there's a place for you here. Veritas Vault's auto-compounding system is a breakthrough in this industry designed for everyone, whether you're brand new to crypto or already experienced. Veritas Vault isn't just another program, it's a movement. A platform built on trust, transparency, and the power of blockchain. A system that pays you daily, opens doors for everyone new or experienced, and has the potential to change your financial future. If this resonates with you, we encourage you to get back to the person who introduced you to Veritas Vault and take a closer look. The future doesn't wait. Neither should you. Welcome to Veritas Vault.